Hi guys, welcome back. I am super excited for today's video because as you can see behind me, I kind of did a bit of damage at LV and I cannot wait to unbox all the goodies and show you what I got. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. Thank you for joining me. If you love luxury unboxings, I think you will like this video. As you can see, there is a sea of orange behind me. Hubby and I did a bit of damage. If you haven't already watched my last video, I went shopping at Louis Vuitton, Ferragamo, and also at Prada. So I will link that above, but I did some damage during that shopping vlog and some other pieces I picked up the last couple of weeks as well. So I thought I'll combine it all together for one insane, massive LV haul. I also would love for you guys to join my family, and all you need to do is hit that red subscribe button. And if you want to be notified each time I upload, just click that bell. Okay, let's get straight into it with the first item. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this box here. It is very heavy. I think I do know what it is purely because of the weight. And then you're thinking, what do you mean I think I do know what it is? This was a gift from one of my good friends and she arranged it with hubby because she actually doesn't live in Australia. But anyway, if you guys don't already know, on my Instagram account, and I'll leave my Instagram handle here, I would love for you to follow me there as well. But I recently hit 100,000 followers. And she is so sweet. She bought me this as like a congratulatory gift. So I'm so grateful, babe. You know who you are. Love you to death. And yes, because of the weight, I think I do know what it is, but I don't know exactly what it is, if you know what I mean. But let's open it together and see what she got me. Obviously, it is very heavy. Okay, let me just rest it on my knees. And okay, hold on, let me show you. Okay, I knew it was a book, but I didn't know it was this book. I actually am not that familiar. Wow, this is really heavy with LV books. Wow, this weighs a ton. Let me just put this box. Hold on a sec. Let me put this down. So this is in a big acrylic case and it says Louis Vuitton Art, Fashion and Architecture. You guys know, for those of you who've been following me for ages, I love art, I love fashion. Well, I appreciate architecture too. So let's have a quick look. Look at this case. This is so nice. And okay, so this is what it looks like. It's obviously a hardback book and oh, this is so cool. Okay, it's going to be so hard. It's so heavy, guys. I can't even, but inside it's just, yeah, all beautiful pictures of, yeah, all LV product. And I think the LV sort of buildings, I've got to take a look at this. Wow, they've got like furniture. I love coffee table books. I actually love interior design as well. So I have a few coffee table books from various different houses. So this is just so perfect. And I'm just so grateful that she even thought of me. And it was just such a kind gesture and very sneaky for you to arrange it with hubby. But thank you so much. I can't believe I've hit like 100,000 on Instagram. That's crazy. And yeah, I am thinking of a really exciting giveaway. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't already followed me on Instagram, do follow me. And for those asking, I can't believe as well on YouTube, you know, we're getting there. I promised you guys a big giveaway at 100,000 subscribers for YouTube too, but we're not quite there yet. So do help me get there because I am planning something big for that. So that is the first item from my sweet friend. Okay, so let's move on to this package here. And this is something I bought during that shopping vlog with my husband at Crown Casino. By the way, the Louis Vuitton staff at Crown Casino, very good service. We were really happy. I don't often shop there, but they were so nice. And in this box, I actually don't have a box shaped like this. I got, let me just get it out. Here it is. This is the I don't even know the exact name. Let me have a look at the receipt, but it is a bandeau. And I just love this classic design. I love that you can see the clochette there. So I was thinking of wrapping this around my handle for my pochette métisse and other bags. It could even go on my Alma BB. I've got a few LV bags, so I'm sure that it will, match a few of the bags. Or even so, you can wear this as like a neck scarf as well. I think that would look really nice as a neck scarf if you wanted to wear it that way. On that vlog, I did try on the bigger scarf version of this, but I decided to go with this because I'm not a huge scarf person and I love twillies. Well, twillies as in Hermes twillies, but I don't actually own an LV sort of twilly, well, they call it bandeau. Let me find out the name for you because I do have the receipt here and I'll also tell you the price. So this is called the Monogram Confidential Bandeau and it was 245 Australian dollars. So I'm really happy to add my first LV sort of twilly to my collection. Next, let's grab this box here. And this is something for hubby. For those of you that watch the vlog, you probably will guess what this is. It is, yes, it is a pair of shoes. Can you guess what it may be? So, you also would know that hubby is usually quite conservative with his taste. And from that vlog, you would have seen, I put a little sort of like cartoon picture of his reaction because honestly, when he first tried these on, I have to say he wasn't too sure. But the more he tried them, the more he liked them. And I was like very pleasantly surprised. So let me show you. Ta-da! He got the denim loafers. And I think a few of you might be shocked because when I saw some of the comments down, they were like, oh, that's pretty like fashion forward for hubby. And this is like, I would say the most fashion forward thing he owns, but he loves loafers. And can I just say, guys, I think denim, I don't think it's that fatty, if that makes sense, because denim always goes in and out of fashion. Anyway, I will put a little clip of him modeling these because, yeah, sometimes when you see it on the shelf, sometimes you just don't know. You've got to try it on. And they were really comfortable. I love the denim. I love the gold detailing with the LV there. So this is called the Royal Club Loafer. And it is pretty pricey for denim, but I just loved it on him. And this was the last pair. It was 1,280 Australian dollars. So I am just wrapped. Hubby picked up this and it's going to be great for spring, summer. And the second item that we picked up for hubby is, yes, it's in this box here. So I'm so happy. I actually love going shopping for him because he doesn't often go luxury shopping and he's just getting into it a bit more so, and he really liked both items. This one I can actually share with him, so I'll show you. Let's just quickly open it, and it is in here to reveal this beautiful scarf. This was also shown on the vlog very, very quickly. I can't tell you how soft this is. Likewise, it's sort of like, it looks like denim, but it's not. It's actually a mix of, I think, silk, cotton, something like that. Anyway, I'll just tell you guys. Yeah, it's a mix of wool, cotton, and silk. And I just love the hand feel. I just think it is a scarf that you can wear any season. It's lightweight, so you can wear it during summer. You can wear it, well, you still can layer it in winter. Hold on, I can't even open it up. And it's really, really quite big, as you can see. So I just think it is such a nice scarf, and I will definitely be borrowing this off him as well. So that is what it looks like. So this is called the Daily Monogram Stole, and it is 905 Australian dollars. So yeah, I just love that we can share this piece, and he's already a fan of LV scarves anyway, but nothing sort of this lightweight. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? I don't necessarily think you have to wear it together, but if you look at that vlog, he actually did wear it together and he looked really, really nice. So that is the second item that we bought hubby. Okay, let's move to this side and I'll show you what's in here. Actually, I have revealed this on Instagram, my first IGTV, but I haven't revealed it on YouTube. So I obviously have unboxed it, but I wanted to show you guys anyway. And this is something my sister picked up for me about, I don't know, a month, 6 weeks ago in Singapore. And it was really hard to get here. But this is the Vivienne Illustre bag charm in the monogram Eclipse. I love monogram Eclipse. I wish they would make a female bag in monogram Eclipse. I would so buy it. But the Vivienne is so, so cute. If you didn't know, the Vivienne is actually LV's mascot. And the back is just plain, so you can get it, you know, hot stamped if you want. I haven't so far, but I just thought the bag charm was too cute. And I wanted to add something from this sort of limited collection range because it was really hard to get. And I thought the bag charm was a great addition. And lastly, I cannot wait to show you what is in this box. Now, in my vlog, I tried on the Prada Cahier bag. I think that's how you pronounce it now, Cahier. And that was so gorgeous. It is definitely on my wish list. And I almost bought it then, but I thought, no, Mel, you need to think about it because I always have this rule. You need to think about it for a couple of weeks. And if you really do love it, you can go back. But something came up in LV, as you can see. Yes, it is a bag. And I just couldn't say no. So for the time being, the Prada bag is on hold. I may even look for it pre-loved. And yeah, I can't wait to show you this. Likewise, I have had this for about 3 weeks. So I've been very good. And I haven't opened any of these goodies up because I finally had a chance to edit that vlog. And then, you know, obviously I had to do the vlog and then do this, you know, huge reveal. So stop rambling, Mel. Just open it up and show everyone. So it is in here, in this dust bag here, to reveal. Okay, I got, this came to Australia late, but ta-da! This is the trunk clutch. I think that's the official name, trunk clutch. It looks like the Petite Malle, which you guys know has been on my wish list for ages. But the reason why I went for this instead, I'm not saying that that's out, but it's definitely on hold for a while, is that this fits so much more inside. It still has the look of it, and I don't have anything in reverse mono. So in this is the, which is so kind to give me a little bag for the shoulder strap. This is the shoulder strap here. So I love that you can use this as a clutch. So it is soft. It's not like the Petite Malle, which is hard. So to open it up, it's just this S-lock. So you push this and it just opens up. It has a zipper opening, so it's very secure. Let me open it up for you. And let me just take that out. It's got the care booklet, but it is a lot bigger, guys. Like if I get this is my iPhone 8 Plus, it easily fits into there. Like there's plenty of room. So that's another reason why I went for this as well, because I'm still debating whether with the Petite Malle it is worth it, because in Australia it is like almost $7,000. This one is a lot less. Let me tell you the price. It is 4,400 Australian dollars. And since I've got it up here, it is 20 centimeters in length, 12 centimeters in height, and 5.5 centimeters in depth. So this is the front of the bag. I love the mix of canvas, and this is in calf leather. So the S-lock, you just open it up. I love all this gold tone hardware. And it is a zipper opening. That is the inside of the bag, which has 2 compartments. Inside is in sheepskin lining, and I love this iconic maltage print, which you can see there. We move on to the back of the bag. That is what the back looks like. So the monogram canvas continues throughout with the normal mono in the reverse with all these studs. And this is the side of the bag, which is in accordion style, and that carries through all the way down to the bottom. So yeah, I really like this clutch, and it really pays homage to Louis Vuitton's heritage, because as you know, they were trunk makers. And yeah, this is just the soft-sided reinterpretation of the Petite Malle. And let me just put on the strap for you. This strap is adjustable. I just loved how it looked crossbody. I love that you can wear it, you know, on the shoulder as well. But not many of these came in, so I do feel quite fortunate that I could grab one. And yeah, that is my new baby. What do you guys think? I'm just so excited to add something reverse monogram, because that is what I was sort of missing from my collection. So I can't wait to style this. What do you guys think of this? Do you prefer this bag here, the trunk clutch, or do you prefer the Petite Malle? I would love to know. Please comment and let me know. So guys, that is it. That is my entire LV haul. I'm just so glad I could add a few more things to my collection, and most importantly, that hubby picked up a couple of things as well. Thank you so much for watching. So if you like these type of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I really, really appreciate that. I love reading all your comments. You guys mean so, so much to me. So have a wonderful day or night, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.